If you are looking to pay for field trips, transportation, or other school fees, the Minnetonka Webstore is your destination. Start by visiting minnetonkaschools.org. Click Shortcuts on the top right of the page. Then click Payments. You will be directed to the Payments page. Next, click Webstore. You will be directed to RevTrack, our third-party payment application. Click on the type of payment you would like to make. If it is an elementary fee, click on Elementary Schools. You can then select the elementary school of your choice. Click on the fee you need to pay. Enter any relevant information and click on Add to Shopping Cart. When you are ready to pay, click on the shopping cart link in the top left. Then click Go to Checkout. It will prompt you to log in. If you have not logged in to RevTrack before, you will need to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete your transaction.